So do you also want to add all your lead inquiries into your Google Sheets and you are doing this manually still? Then it's time for a change. So in this video, I'll show you how you can also automatically add all your lead inquiries into your Google Sheets, that too without any manual intervention. Yes, to do this, you just require Pabbly Connect and follow me till the end if you also want to create this automation. Open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of lead inquiries for free into your Google Sheets, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you want, you can definitely use it for yourself, and I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect because right now we are offering a free trial. Once you like Pabbly Connect, then you can move on further, use this discount coupon code to purchase it. Alright, now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I'm just going to search for LinkedIn because I use LinkedIn to collect the lead inquiries. For the event, I'm going to select it as lead notifications and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Now you have to enter the account credentials of your LinkedIn account and log in your LinkedIn account. Once you log in your LinkedIn account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me to select the sponsored account, but it is saying no options found. So if you also find some problem like this, then simply click on this refresh fields and you're going to see all the options. Then select the option and click on this save and send test request. Once you click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. Now you have two options. The first option is wait until you receive a real lead in real time, and the second option is just open your ad and submit a lead yourself. So as you can see, I'm just going to submit a lead myself because I'm just going to create a test lead, and for the phone number I'm just going to keep it as this right over here. You're going to see it is not asking me for the first name, last name and company name because these are pre-filled because my campaign is in draft mode. Don't worry, your leads are going to get the option to fill in all the details. After filling in the details, I'm just going to click on this submit and submit this lead form. Now it is saying information sent to Pabbly. This means that we have successfully sent this information towards Pabbly, which means we have completed the test submission. Now Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and the details which we submitted right now are the test details because I don't want to wait for the real lead coming in real time. It is going to waste me a lot of time. What you can do is you can also create this automation using the test lead details, and don't worry, it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. Once this automation is completed, then automatically whenever you're going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, the details will be added into your Google Sheets, and yes, you don't have to do anything. Now you can see that we have received the response. You're going to see the email, the phone number, the first name, last name and the company name. Now let's add these details in a Google Sheets. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, we have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once you click on this sign in with Google, you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So what you have to do is you have to click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. So just click on this allow and your Google Sheets account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which you want to add the details. After you select the spreadsheet and the sheet, one by one just add the details, but you don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So to map these details, you have to put a slash and then search for the details and map it like this. After mapping these details, click on the save and send test request. You're going to see that we have received the positive response, that we have successfully added the details right over here. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details have been added, be it the name, email or phone number. Not only this detail, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the details for the same will be added in my Google Sheets, and all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.